Welcome back to the OpenAI Associate Developer course. In this lesson, we'll introduce the OpenAI Transcription API, a powerful tool that converts spoken language into written text. This feature is useful for applications such as automated transcription services, voice command interfaces, and real-time captioning. While OpenAI refers to this API as the Transcription API, it is commonly known as the Speech-to-Text, or just STT API in the industry. Let's begin by understanding the core configuration properties for the Transcription API. 1. The model is a required property that specifies which version of the OpenAI model to use for transcription. The only valid model currently is the Whisper 1 model, which is designed for high-quality speech-to-text conversion. 2. The file is a required property and represents the audio data to be transcribed. This should be in a supported audio format like MP3 or WAV. 3. The language property specifies the language of the input audio. This helps the model understand the spoken language more accurately and must be an ISO 639-1 formatted language string. 4. The prompt property is slightly different than what you may be used to. In this API, the prompt is an optional property which provides context or hints to the model, which can help improve the accuracy of the transcription. 5. The response format property defines the textual format in which the transcription result will be returned. Common formats include JSON for structured data or text for plain text output. 6. The temperature property behaves just as we've seen this property used before. This property controls the randomness of the model's output. A lower value makes the output more focused and deterministic, while a higher value introduces more variability. 7. The timestamp granularities property is a bit more advanced, and we'll give focus to this in a larger section dedicated to this property later on. For now, know that this property specifies the granularity of timestamps included in the transcription. This can be useful for applications that need precise timing information, such as subtitles or detailed analysis of speech patterns. By understanding and correctly setting these properties, you can leverage the full potential of OpenAI's Transcription API to convert speech into text efficiently and accurately. In the upcoming lessons, we'll dive more deeply into the OpenAI speech-to-text capabilities and reinforce the concepts with additional coding exercises. That's all for now. Stay tuned, and let's continue enhancing our AI-powered applications together.